How to add family members to your YouTube TV account. To get started, you just want to go to tv.youtube.com on a web browser here, and then you want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then click on Settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to make sure that Family Sharing is selected on the left side, and then you'll be taken to this page here. It'll say Share YouTube TV. You'll create a family group to share YouTube TV, as well as other Google services with friends and family in your household. You want to come down and click on Continue. You'll then need to go ahead and select who will be the family manager of your group. The family manager is the one who can invite people to your group, specifically up to 5 other people. So once you have your family manager selected, click on Continue. And now here's where you can invite members to your group. So you'll want to go ahead and click on Invite Family Member. And now you can go ahead and send invites to people through their email. Keep in mind the people that you want to invite to your group have to have a Gmail account. So you can go ahead and search someone up by their Gmail, and then once you find them, you can select them and then click on Send down here. Once you click Send, a YouTube TV invitation will be sent to their Gmail that they'll have to accept. And once they've accepted, they should be a part of your family group. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.